Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP. Once again, thank you for your continued support, okay? Big up the CoinsKid crew. Honestly, I mean it. I know I say it every day, but I'm probably one of the only YouTubers that does actually mean it. Sincerely, thank you for your support and everything you do to contribute towards the growth of CoinsKid and making it into what it is. And we're building a fantastic community there. And to each and every single one of you involved, thank you, okay, for being here and involved in the space. And we hope you're enjoying the Patreon content right there as well. And if you're not already following us on Twitter, do head over to Twitter and get involved in Twitter. And even if you've not got Twitter, join up, because we're posting content on there every day, and there's a lot of banter and a lot of to and fro in it, and it's all good. Effectively, it's all good. And just want to reassure you, XRP is holding relative strength at the moment. It's holding a really strong market structure basically, and it's not losing any structure for continuation. And we do anticipate continuation in this bull run for crypto and Bitcoin, XRP, Chainlink, you name it. We do see continuation, and these pullbacks are part and parcel of crypto, and we've forewarned you, we've told you, nothing goes up forever. Buy big green candles, get big red dildos basically, and it's a lesson learned, isn't it? And people were up here buying up here, telling me I was an idiot because I was calling an ABC correction and saying put some cheeky bids. I remember it was up here, and initially I was saying put some cheeky bids on the 0618. It did wick down just below that, a couple of cents below that, and then I says obviously you're going to create a lower high, and you've got the ABC correction right there. Put some more cheeky bids down here. I think this particular level was around about 75 cents, I think, and you can see it wicked down below, but right now it is still above that level, and it's holding relatively well. It's showing relative strength basically for continuation. We need to get this consolidation event out of the way and get the break, okay? And I do anticipate that break is coming. All eyes on Bitcoin at the moment. It's showing a lot of strength, Bitcoin is. If you want to check the Bitcoin video out, there's a potential bottom in formation right there. There are a couple of key indicators that we do need to see broken. Obviously, levels of resistance for continuation for Bitcoin. And as you're fully aware, Bitcoin is the king at the moment, isn't it? And the only thing that XRP's got aside from Bitcoin is the fact that it could go on of its own accord, obviously, because of the green light from the SEC saying that it's a currency and not a security. If that news was to break or anything, of that particular interest, boom, see you later, alligator. XRP's out of it, and it doesn't care what Bitcoin does. And you could potentially see a lot of capital flow in, a lot of liquidity flow into XRP from Bitcoin. So that could be a first, but and sort of a little mini alt season right there for XRP to get the party started, so to speak. So right now, like I said to you so many times, you up here capitulated, but after each capitulation event, you start to creep back up, don't you? Start to creep back up, consolidate for continuation. You can see effectively it's going through a very similar rinse repeat pattern right there. And okay, like just here, this is on next impulsive wave target of $3.89 for XRP. Hopefully this is the bottom, and right now we're forming a new impulsive wave up. Do you see this? Break this local high, continuation. This is your next impulsive target. And right here, people are probably thinking, what an idiot, that's a stupid target. But I can show you, okay, and this is why I use Fibonacci. I can show you right now that potentially down here, when I said this, well, if you was with the channel, I would have been saying, right, we're bottomed out here, we're looking really good, we're starting to consolidate, we're starting to adhere to market structure, we're not breaking down. And right here, I would have laid down the fibs and said to you, potentially you're looking at XRP going on to this particular level. And look at that, absolute target met, wasn't it? So you've got your impulsive wave up, your corrective wave down, you formed a bottom just there, and you're starting to create that new impulsive wave, which you are now, this new impulsive wave just there. Do you see this? People are scratching your head. Well, how do you see that? Because this is exactly what it's done here, okay? This Fibonacci's rule, remember that. So you've got your impulsive wave up, you've got your corrective wave down. What I'll do, just get rid of that for a moment so you can see it better. So impulsive wave up, corrective wave down, and you're starting to form a new impulsive wave. And slowly but surely, where did you get to? You topped out the 1618, didn't you? Fibonacci retracement before you start to roll back. And now what you're doing, you're retracing effectively off this impulsive wave up. Do you see that? So I'm going to show you, because you're retracing, obviously, you've got this next impulsive wave target, because hopefully this is your top, this is your bottom, you're forming a new impulsive wave up, adhering to market structure, get to this target, okay? But you do have a retracement target. So right there, from there to there, you're retracing. And at the moment, you can see potentially where you're bouncing off. Do you see this? The 0382. So you're constantly closing above this level of support right there. Do you see that? At 077. Don't forget, this is the weekly time frame. Now, as I've made you fully aware in numerous other videos, there is a key level on a retracement that you can't afford to lose. And if you do start to lose that, then you are seeing a reversal wave and no longer a retracement wave. So at the moment, this is an impulsive wave up. Do you see this? This is a corrective wave, a retracement wave, basically. You can come down to as low as this. But if you start to lose that, there's a high probability that you're losing this level here and you're forming something called a reversal wave, coming back down to where you formed the impulsive wave. Do you see this? So this is a key level of support for XRP right there. And with that, you would see that if you did start to come down and close below that particular level right there, you would be dragging the EMAs over your shoulder right here on the weekly time frame, creating the big sell and go to the beach signal from CoinsKid. But at the moment, like I said to you, you're holding key support. Okay, you're holding the 0382 on this retracement right now for XRP. So it's good, it's golden. Okay, so as long as we hold this, okay, and stay above this level, you could even come down to 050, get the wick off the 55, okay, put some cheeky bids in there if you do start to see it roll. But I'm not saying it will, but if you do start to see big XRP roll, put some cheeky bids on the 050, which is 0.58 cents, because that's where you would see the bounce and a little wick and a continuation. But at the moment, like I said to you, you're holding support really, really well. You've had 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks above this 0382 retracement right here. Okay, Fibonacci retracement 077. So it's good, it's golden, because this is what you do. You come down, you retrace before continuation of the next impulsive wave up to that target there. So that's basically XRP on the weekly. What I'm going to do right now is obviously look on the 8-hourly time frame for you, okay? So just want to reassure you, it's holding support, it's looking relatively well, it's retracing to a good level on the weekly. Jumping into the 8-hourly time frame for XRP then. So looking at XRP on the hourly time frame then, sorry, not the 8-hourly, the hourly. So right here we had this inverse head and shoulders pattern, didn't we? And we said that if you break this level of resistance right here, do put in a cheeky long. And you can see that XRP started to pick up just here, okay, but then it's got rejected and come back down, lost this level of resistance, turned into support, lost it, and you can see it's rolling over right now. There is a bit of a nice reversal pattern forming just there for XRP, okay, so this particular pattern just here, it's a bit of a falling wedge, okay, do you see this? This particular pattern right there is a falling wedge, and you can see it's actually broken out, it's back testing this as support, and it's starting to creep back up. Now if you do start to see XRP break this level of resistance, i.e. get back above the hourly 55 EMA like this, okay, come back above and test. It needs to break this level of resistance, because if it does, this is where you could see XRP pump up to this particular level here where it formed this falling wedge. Do you see this? Because it's broken out of this level of resistance right now, XRP. So from here to that particular level there, that is a further appreciation from this point of around about 6.79% for XRP. So do anticipate that little pickup for XRP, hopefully. But again, unfortunately, you can see it has broken this level of support right now. And if it does continue to roll, this is where you need to see XRP hold, okay? Because at the moment, what you've got here, I'll show you exactly what you've got, okay? You've come down, you're making these lower highs like this, but you've made this low, you've made this low here. And right now, you're starting to reverse the trend. So you're making another higher low here, okay? Do you see this? So you're making a high there and a high there. Now if you do start to go on and break this and get there, you make another high, you're breaking out of this level of resistance just here. And not only that, you're starting to reverse here. You see this, you're getting a reversal pattern, and that's relatively good for reversal for XRP. Again, do keep an eye on Bitcoin, because it is all on Bitcoin, obviously. If Bitcoin rolls over and shits the bed, then XRP will go down with that. There's no exemption from that. But this is a bit of a reversal pattern right there. It's a falling wedge, okay, and it has got a breakout target. You can see it's broken out a level of resistance right here. It's starting to creep back on. If it gets above the EMAs, that's a good thing on the hourly time frame right there. If you start to get back above, then do anticipate the break, because you have got that long opportunity there for XRP. And like I said, failing that, you can't see XRP roll over and lose this level here, because this would be invalidating this reversal pattern that XRP is starting to form just here. Do you see this? Because this is relatively strong. It is strong. Okay, you've got the bottom here, you've got a high low there. If it retains that, starts to go back up, then you obviously you're reversing. Do you see? You're reversing the trend. The bears are running out of steam. The selling pressure's falling effectively, and the buying pressure's starting to take over. Do you see that? You're reversing, and it really is that simple. But like I said to you, you do have a key level of resistance right here, this descending channel. Do you see this? You've hit your head, you hit your head. So do anticipate that. So yeah, that's XRP. What you can't afford to see is it lose 0.78. But like I said to you, it's showing strength on the weekly there. It's holding above that 0.382, isn't it? Relatively well. So we get the close out again above that key level of support. It's looking good because, like I said to you, if you keep testing support and you're holding support like this, eventually you break up. Just like I said to you, if you're hitting resistance, hitting your resistance, you break down, don't you? And it's the same principle. On the weekly, you're looking like this. It's looking good for continuation. So yeah, stay strong everybody, stay tuned, stay healthy, stay tuned, and we'll be back tomorrow with another update on XRP. But keep an eye on this, get the break on the hourly. Boom, boom, boom. See you later, alligator. Cheeky long. Take care everyone, back tomorrow, bye bye.